Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make tomato と玉ねぎとしそのサラダ. It's very easy and refreshing salad using tomato, onion, and shiso Japanese basil. I know it's a bit hard to find shiso Japanese basil outside of Japan, but I want you to look for it really hard. It's a key ingredient to the salad. If you fail to find it, you can use coriander or watercress, but please consider it as a plan Z, not even plan C. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with the salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 to 3 tomatoes depending on the size, 1 onion, 10 leaves of shiso Japanese basil. For the dressing, 1 tablespoon each of honey, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, sesame seeds, and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Let's make the dressing first. You just need to mix all these. So easy, too easy almost. Rice vinegar, soy sauce, honey, sesame oil, sesame seeds, and garlic paste. Give it a good mix. And the dressing is ready. Let's cut the vegetables. And you're going to serve it as you cut, so prepare a serving plate. Tomato into half. And cut the stem off. Then into thin slices. Let's nicely serve them on the plate. Onion into very thin slices, like paper thin. Cut the top. Cut it into half. And cut the bottom off. You can of course use knife to slice them, but it's much easier and quicker to use mandolin. onion on top of tomato. And shiso, Japanese basil. Cut the stem off and make it into very thin slices, like needle thin. Roll it up, then slice. Fluff it. On top of onion. Put some dressing. And it's done. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The fresh flavor of shiso, Japanese basil, makes the whole salad so refreshing. And the dressing is very rich and aromatic with the sesame oil, and it makes the salad even yummier. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tomato to tamanegi to shiso no salad goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other side. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about ebi tamadon here, which will also cover the main, and your favorite miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.